Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I made my Chinese egg tarts. It's my first attempt, so I'm not expecting it to be perfect. Let's do it. Okay, let's start by putting in the milk into the bowl. And sugar. And then we have to dissolve the sugar. Keep mixing until it's fully dissolved. And then we are going to heat the milk in the microwave at maximum temperature for like 3 minutes. And then in another bowl, we will be whisking the egg. We will be needing 3 eggs. Two, three. We will add in 3 tablespoons, or no, sorry, 3 teaspoons of evaporated milk. 2, 3. And a few drops of vanilla extract. There you go. By the way, this is my first attempt to this recipe, the Chinese egg tart recipe, and I'm not expecting it to be really perfect. Now our milk is ready and it's still hot. So just mix it a bit, just to make sure that the sugar is all dissolved. Pour in the milk little by little. In this video, I will be using a ready-made puff pastry dough, which I bought from a nearby supermarket, little price. Okay, so now this mixture, we will be keeping it in the fridge while we prepare our tart crusts. So, like I said, I bought this puff pastry dough, which is ready-made, and it's a frozen ready-made dough. So I had to keep it out of the fridge for like 45 minutes to 1 hour, and then it's ready. Okay, so now we have to flatten the crust a little bit. So one thing we don't want to happen is for the dough to stick onto the surface or to the table. So we have to add more flour, I think. Just to make sure it doesn't stick onto the table. Add more flour, dust it. And then flatten it back. So I still haven't found that good cookie cutter from the market. So today I'll still be using my improvised cookie cutter, which is from an empty can of canned tuna. And it works well for me. There you go. I'm using this silicone muffin mold because I cannot find that I don't know what you call it, that those individual small tart crust molds. So again, I'm improvising. There you go. Time to put the filling. Okay, something's wrong here. You see the tart crust must the height should go up to the top or to the lid of the mold. Okay, and when you put that egg mixture, you shouldn't put too much. You just put half. You just fill it halfway, and then you're good. Because when you bake it, the puff pastry will rise and your egg tart will overflow. Now let's bake it. So there you go. This is our finished product, freshly baked from the oven. And it's crispy, and it's flaky, and it's crusty. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button now for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye.